Hey Mitt.
Heyo, what's going on?
So you think you would be a good president?
Yes, I know a lot about this country and at least I was born here.
Whoa there, partner. I have a birth certificate on the internet to prove I was born here.
Never mind that, we have important issues to address. Did you know Syria may be planning a massacre using chemical weapons?
Yes, I am not too worried. My security advisor has told me that their weapons can't reach us and I have a gas mask in the basement of the White House. What would you do about the issue?
I would blow them up. How about Israel? What are your foreign policy plans?
My plan is this. I will continue to expose their secret plans to the world so that they really won't be able to do anything. That plan has worked so far.
What about Iran and its uranium enrichment?
I don't really think that is true. But I figured if I wait long enough, it can be someone else's problem.
We do have a few problems in the US also.
I heard that too. My biggest problem is securing my vacation home in Hawaii. Did you know it costs almost $1 million a day for my vacation?
Word brother. Vacations are expensive. I was thinking about all the people without jobs in the United States.
I wasn't really thinking about them at all. Remember, if we didn't have all these people out of work, who would the people working support? We all have to do our part.
I understand that you are planning affordable health care for everyone in America.
It will be my greatest legacy since I am likely only going to be a one-term president.
How did you plan on paying for this plan?
I was just going to force everyone else to pay so that we can enslave a nation into dependency.
I thought the idea was to try and teach our citizens how to stand on their own 2 feet.
If they could do that, they wouldn't need government and we would be out of a job, buddy.
True. Oh, do you really think it matters which one of us gets elected?
Mitt, you know that the people aren't smart enough to know we are just puppets for big business and that the Constitution that says, by the people, for the people, wasn't referring to any of them. It was referring to people like us.
True. Oh, do you think the people will wake up?
Not a chance. Between poisoning their food, creating an obesity pandemic, forcing to take drugs they don't really need, my advisors have assured me the last of the resistance is being crushed as we speak.
Wow, I was under the impression you didn't do anything while you were in office.
Whoa there, Mitt. I gave billions to the big banks and business to ensure I would have campaign contributions for this election.
That was a smart one, buddy. You want to get some Chick-fil-A?
Sure, buddy. Let's pretend we are gay and ask for a Jim Henson toy in the kids' meal.
That would be the bank, buddy. I think they might kick us out.
Maybe we can see movie instead. You like the new Batman movie?
Not unless one of us is carrying a concealed weapon. Movies can be dangerous.
Don't worry, pal. My security advisor has assured me, mission accomplished. No need to worry now.
It is clear that we are both working for America. I think we would both make good candidates for presidency.
True, you think we could both be president? Maybe we can call it an alternate presidency and I got some favors at the Vatican. I can probably even get the Pope to endorse it if I promise to drop the funding to Planned Parenthood facilities. Let's get going.
Word. Oh, amen to that.